Unakite, pink and green heart, stone of unification and purification. Pink for the heart and the green for also your heart chakra as well, and healing any issues, any beliefs that are not in alignment with the prosperity and abundance that you seek, whether you are at a place where you are comfortable or not yet. There is always room for greater prosperity so that you can do more, have more awareness of what it is you want to do, who it is you are here to serve, including yourself. Serving yourself first then keeps your energy levels at their peak, because if you give, and you don't take care of yourself, pretty soon you'll be running on empty. It's like your vehicle just running out of gas and stopping along the way. Chalcopyrite, also known as Peacock Ore. Clearing, balancing, and aligning all of your chakras simultaneously. Is there one chakra that is blocked more than the others, or are all of your chakras open but just need a clean sweep? Every day your body attracts and absorbs, and in some cases stores, negative energy. Well, it also does the same thing with positive energy. And being a highly sensitive person, sometimes I need to take a step away. So use your Chalcopyrite, your Peacock Ore, to clear all of your chakras and clear your body, your energy bodies, so that there is a sense of lightness and freedom within and where you are. This is Tanzan Aura. Your third eye needs clarity, clearing, so that you can see the images, whether that's in, images that just come to you during your dreams or during your waking hours when you're working on something and you get a little flash. Pay attention to that. Your guides are speaking to you. So Tanzan Aura for clearing your beautiful third eye, for clearer vision. And then we have Hematite. Grounding. Time for major grounding. Letting go of excess energy, positive and negative, high vibe, a little bit high vibe, but more low vibe. So imagine you have a bubble or a cocoon around you of, let's see, this color, which is kind of a purpley violet. Okay, that will filter out much of the negativity that is not in alignment. And sometimes positive energies are just overwhelming as well if there's too many of them or too much of it. So there you go. Healing your health, wealth, and abundance, your prosperity vibe, your thoughts, your beliefs, your clearing your chakras. My guides are talking to me at the same time. Tanzan Aura. Really clear out your third eye and do some major grounding, beautiful soul. Have an amazing day.